Hey there! Are you noticing that the Voice Memo app is hogging a ton of storage space on your iPhone? It's totally normal for voice memos to pile up and take up more room than you realize. But don't worry, I've got some super easy solutions to help you manage and trim down that storage. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Change recording quality to compressed. Switching to compressed audio instead of lossless can really help save space. Start by opening the settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on apps. After that, scroll down again. Now tap on Voice Memos. Finally, select Audio Quality and choose Compressed. This adjustment will shrink the file size of your future recordings without sacrificing too much quality. Solution 2. Delete unnecessary recordings. To free up space, it's a great idea to regularly get rid of the recordings that you no longer need. First, open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone. Then swipe left on any recording that you wish to delete and tap on Delete. After that, tap the back arrow icon. Now head over to the recently deleted folder. Next, tap Edit. Finally, tap on Delete All to permanently remove those files from your storage. Solution 3. Transfer recordings to the Files app. You can move your recordings to the Files app to keep them stored in iCloud or another cloud service. In Voice Memos, tap the three dots icon next to the recording you want to transfer. Then tap on the Share icon. After that, scroll down. Now choose Save to Files and pick a location within the Files app. Once you've saved it, return to Voice Memos and delete the original recording to clear up some space. Solution 4. Offload the Voice Memos app. If you don't use Voice Memos that often, you can offload the app to save space while keeping your recordings intact. First, open Settings. Then go to General. Tap on iPhone Storage. After that, find and select Voice Memos. Now tap Offload app to remove the app while keeping your recordings safe. Finally, you can reinstall Voice Memos anytime without losing any saved recordings. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Voice Memos app from taking up too much storage on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video.